The Moodyi series from Artistic License come in a variety of different configurations. The I series for intensity control, the X, Y and Z series for RGB or RGBW control. All variants of Moodyi have both a DMX and DALI output. Today we're going to look at how to configure and set the scene in a Moodyi1. The Moodyi1 only has one channel of intensity control, however, the same programming process applies to all Moodyi products. If we first look at the rear of the panel, we can see to the left the power connection, the programming jumper, and then to the right the DMX output and the DALI output. It's worth noting that the user can only edit the scene if the programming jumper is in place. Basic control. We can switch on over a 5-second fade or off over a 5-second fade. We can also use the rotary control to dim our load up or down. Moodyi1 and all of the Moodyi series support a single scene. To set the levels of the scene, press and hold the button for 3 seconds until the LED indicator flashes. The plate is now in programming mode and the level of each channel can be adjusted using the rotary control. When the desired level is set, either press again to access the next channel, or to exit programming mode, press and hold for 3 seconds. Our scene level's been saved, so if we now switch on our load, it will dim up to the predetermined level in the scene. We can't dim above the pre-recorded level, but we can dim down from that point using the rotary control.